Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a breakout room in Zoom. So let's get started. When the host opens breakout room, a pop-up will appear on your screen that says the host is inviting you to join breakout room. All you need to do is click the join button and you'll be taken to your assigned room. Inside the breakout room, you can speak freely, share your screen, chat, and turn on your mic or camera just like in the main session. If you ever need help, you'll see a button that says Ask for Help. Clicking it will alert the host to assist you. You can leave the breakout room anytime by clicking Leave Room at the bottom right, then choose Leave Breakout Room to go back to the main meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to join a breakout room in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.